Hey there guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own custom wedding mood boards. So this is a mood board that I already created and it is well detailed. I created this using Canva. Here we are in Canva. Welcome. I'm going to be showing you how I create my mood boards. This is just one section of the mood board, the invite section. So first I want to create the general presentation, and I'm going to go to the plus and the design section and just simply choose whichever presentation that I like that suits my style. Then what you want to do is to table out all the images that you want to input. I know us brides, we can just have lots of images that we want to do, or lots of different ideas. So it's just easy. What you want to do is to spread out those images and now begin to put them individually into the mood board. But first of all, we will need to create a frame. A frame helps us to just align the images and make them, much more simplified. So what I'm going to do is to go to the plus button again. I'm going to go to elements and I'm going to choose the kind of frame that I want to use to be able to put in all the pictures, just like this one right here. Okay, so I already did create a frame for all the images individually and put in the ideas that I want for my invitation, and that is what you can see on the screen right now. And if you want to go ahead, from time to time, we can just get re-inspired. If you want to go ahead and just change that, you can click on one of the images, as you can see right here. And what you need to do is to go to the replace icon. As you would see, you want to go to the replace icon. When you click on the replace icon, you can be able to change the image, all right, from anywhere, whether from your camera roll or from your upload section or from Canvas photos or whatsoever. I'm going to be choosing this one to replace the image that I have before. You see that it is so easy, like super easy, when you have everything outlined and you know what you want. And you can always come back from time to time to, change. Maybe when you get re-inspired, you can just come back and change things and, just walk your way around everything. Okay, so I'm going to be replicating this for another design to show you how very easy it is. So what we will do is to go back to uploads or camera roll whatsoever, and oops, my network is out again. Okay, but yeah, it's back right now, and I'm going to just change something else. This is my logo section. This is where I have all the logos that I want, that I like my wedding to have. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to simply just change. Maybe you get re-inspired, you can just go back and change one or two things. That is the good thing about having a mood board for your wedding. You can always go back and rechange, or if you get re-inspired or you see something else that you like, you can always just go back and re-edit it and work with what you've been creating, right? So I'm just simply going to choose something else because I've been trying to find some other logo ideas, and I think they're stuck somewhere because I have lots of photos. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how very easy it is when you have everything that you want outlined for the mood board. So this is a custom mood board that we created. It has everything. It is well detailed, from the kind of outfit that you want for your engagement, just like this slide here. In case you just get re-inspired, you can just come back and change, like I'm doing right now. Oh, I saw something else that I like that I would want for my engagements, and yeah, boom, pick that and replace. Very, very easy, you see. So this helps me to know what I want for my wedding, what I do not want, what I want to take out and stuff. It's like planning the whole wedding before it actually happens. And the good thing about our mood board is that it is customizable. It gives you so much ideas and advices, accessories, styling ideas for both bride and groom, everything that you like for the wedding, the decor, the kind of food, groom's outfits, groom's styling, bride styling, color pairing, from the engagement, if you're having a Nigerian wedding, or even an African wedding, the cake type, your styling, your wedding styling type, ashwebi, colors, mixtures, pairing, styling, everything. It is so detailed, you guys, so you do not need to stress yourself in creating a mood board from scratch. If you want to be able to purchase this mood board, all you need to do is to click the link in the bio, and it will take you down to where you can purchase the mood board, and you can customize it yourself. You can re-edit it, take out whatever you do not like and replace it with whatever you would like. Okay, and also, if you do not have time to edit this mood board, we can edit it for you. We just need to have a consultation with you on everything that you would like, and boom, we will customize the mood board to your likes, to everything that you want for your wedding, to your theme for the wedding, and we will just give you everything laid out in this spread. You're going to see your whole wedding straight out before it happens. Okay, that is the essence and one of the very big advantages of having a mood board to work with. You can send it to your vendors, send it to your sisters, and everyone can see and also contribute their ideas to everything you have. I do hope you get this mood board. Okay, I really know it's going to help you. Until my next one, bye.